At the moment, we hear a lot of discussion around open data from government about making information that's collected by them available to the citizens, and hopefully open up new creative and innovative applications that make use of this data. Particularly within Horizon, we're interested in taking this a step further and starting to look at what happens when the individual citizen gets access to a lot of the data that's held about them by government and by commercial organizations, and what value that can bring to an individual. For example, a cell phone company, actually, in order for the cell phone to work, sort of knows where you are. It'd be very useful if that information was available to me so that software and applications running on my behalf could make use of that. So we could imagine that in the future, a credit card company could actually ask me when a credit card transaction is happening, are you actually in the city where the credit card is supposedly being used? It's critical that we maintain privacy, which means not constantly feeding or making publicly available my location and feeding it to a credit card company, but rather allowing the credit card company to ask an appropriate question of a service that's running on my behalf, which keeps all of the detailed information private. I believe many of these technologies have the fundamental ability to change the way we work and live and play, and that only if we look at many of the issues around the social impact and understand the environment in which they operate, will they be successful. So this is very much about directing our technology programs based on appropriate uses of the technology. These will be the ones that will be successful economically. These are the things that will build the businesses of the future. If we build technical solutions that invade people's privacy, they will simply not be used.